guys, and welcome to a new video. As you can read in the title, this video is a collaboration with Daniel Wellington, which I am so excited about. So the last time I worked with them was in 2015. I really loved the collaboration. I love the watch. I've been using the watch they sent me the last time, which is this gorgeous watch for over 3 years now, and I actually used it a lot, and I'm still using it a lot, and it still works, it still looks fine, and I still love it. This time around they sent me a different watch and also some other goodies, so let's get started. Let me start with the cuff. I'm actually not a huge bracelet girl, just because a lot of bracelets I have a clasp, and I'm kind of too lazy to close and open them. So I'm really happy about this cuff because obviously it's very easy to slide on your wrist and off your wrist. To go along with the bracelet, I got this beautiful watch. I think together with the bracelet, it's such a nice combo and it will fit to literally everything. Last but not least, they sent me the leather straps. As you can see, it's actually pretty easy to change, and I think it's great if you want to change up the look of the watch. I think I'm gonna wear the metallic straps a lot more often just because I already have this leather strap watch. So I'm very excited to be able to switch up the look of my watch. So if you're interested in having a look at the Daniel Wellington watches, they actually offered me a coupon code for all my viewers, which is kirakiranail. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial.
So after you properly did your nail care routine, we're gonna add a base gel. After curing the gel, I'm adding this jewelry gel by Miss You Beauty. It's kind of a thick gel, which makes it a lot easier to secure such huge pieces of metal. I got inspired by Winnie is Awesome to work with different textures of metal. She did this design and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So in between adding the metal pieces, I'm always curing because otherwise it will kinda slip on my nail. Personally, I love to mix silver and gold, so I did that, but if you don't like it, just stick to one of the metal colors. Now it's already time to seal everything in with a top gel. You might need to add 2 to 3 coats to get everything covered. To kind of balance out the first design, I'm keeping the second one very simple. After adding the base gel, I'm adding this nudish pink gel polish. And I ended up adding 3 very thin coats to get an opaque coverage. Grab some more of the jewelry gel or top gel and secure a piece of rounded metal in the cuticle area. And lastly, seal it in with some top gel. I know it's blurry, sorry for that. Here's the finished design inspired by my new Daniel Wellington watch and by Winnie is Awesome, and I love it. It looks way more harder to do than it actually is, and let me know how you like it. So currently Daniel Wellington is offering those 3 products in a set, which I think is awesome because by changing the strap you can fit literally any occasion, like almost any occasion. And as I said, I do have a 15% off coupon code, which is kirakiranail, and you can also use it on different items. So I'm gonna leave the link to their shop in the info box below for those of you guys who are interested. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you haven't seen my last Daniel Wellington nail art design, click on this video. Bye guys!